Then class 7th students, how are you students? Hope you are fine students. Students, during this pandemic condition, the class is running on the online mode. Hope you understand our topics, those we define here. And if you have any types of problem, those the our teacher are defining in your particular subjects, then you just visible in the comment box in the downside this video. You have to go on it and write your problem. If you not write your problem, then I understand you have to resolve your questions and answers. Okay, but you have problem, then you just write on where. Okay, now students, I want to explain something today's, because in the yesterday classes I define you what is the structure of an HTML document. Because when you know the structure of an HTML document, then you have to able to create your web pages. And when you not know the structure of HTML document, then you just understand how you just create your HTML pages. Because when you not know, suppose that you want to reach here and you are here and you not know what is the path. Okay, if you not know what is the path, then you never will reach on that destination. यहाँ हम तब तक नहीं पहुंच पाते जब तक हमें उसका तरीका जो that known is that road, रास्ता, okay, सड़क, way, अगर हमें मालूम नहीं चले, if we not know the way how we reach from this one position to that one position, so it is difficult to understand it. Okay. So students, the today's topic about this, how we insert a heading in HTML web page. जो HTML के हम वेब पेज बनाते हैं, जो वेब पेज बनाते हैं हम, उसमें किस तरह से हम लोग हेडिंग्स को जोड़ेंगे, ठीक है? तो today's our topic is HTML headings. HTML heading. This is our topic today. Our today's topic is HTML headings. Okay. Firstly, I will describe about that headings. What is a heading? Heading is a darkened word before the starting of paragraph. That one in the word we explain it what the defining is downside. Suppose that here you write a computer. Okay. Here you write a computer and in the downside you write the definition. Okay, suppose that this one is the heading, so that one heading is in which type? This heading is bold. Bold. This heading is bold. It is darkened. Okay, and in the outside the definition of that one. So heading is this. So how you just create a heading in the HTML documents? Okay. So for creating that, I write a HTML web page code. Then you just understand how you just create heading in the web pages. उसके लिए देखिए सबसे पहले मैं बता देना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों को कि जो हेडिंग्स होती हैं वो कुछ इस तरह की होती हैं. कुल 6 हेडिंग्स होती है इसके H1 से H6 तक. ध्यान रखना इस चीज को. ओके, यू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. H1 to H6 there are 6 headings. Okay. Now listen students. First you open your Notepad application. Open your Notepad application and on there you just start writing. Firstly HTML, second head, title in this, heading, close the title, close the head. After that, you write your body. In this body, H1. Firstly, you just write my school. Close H1. Second one, heading my school address. Close S2 heading. S3, my principal name. Close S3 heading. My vice principal name. Close S4 heading. My teacher name. S5. S6, my favorite book name. S6. And after that, close the body and close the HTML. You just write up to here. Okay. So firstly heading, after that head after title में title लिख देना, title close, head close, body start करना, पहली हेडिंग हो जाएगी यहाँ से यहाँ तक, दूसरी हेडिंग, तीसरी हेडिंग, चौथी, पांचवी, छठी, उसके बाद बॉडी क्लोज, टेबल क्लोज, इसको सेव करना। सेव, इसको जब सेव करना तो जैसे इस फाइल का नाम लिखना हेडिंग, then you just write HTML also. हेडिंग के बाद HTML जरूर जोड़ देना, जिससे ये आइडेंटिफाई होगा कि ये एक वेब पेज है। Okay, hope you understand this web page. Okay, if you have any problem, then you just write in the comment box. Otherwise, like this video.